I'm Ron Lubben. Today's ride will take us through Box Canyon in the Mecca Hills of Southern California. Located east of Palm Springs and south of Joshua Tree National Park. From Interstate 10, we enter the canyon from the north, heading southbound on Box Canyon Road. The open desert road begins to wind its way into the heart of California's Mecca Hills, one of the most geologically unique landscapes in the Southwest. The walls begin to close in. Towering layers of rock rise on both sides of the road. Twisted, folded, and pushed nearly vertical from the immense forces of the San Andreas fault. Every turn reveals another wall of jagged stone. Reds, browns, golds, and grays paint the canyon in layers, creating a landscape that feels like another planet. Millions of years of Earth's history is exposed right in front of you. The ride through Box Canyon may only take a few minutes, but it's one of those roads that leaves a lasting impression. A place where geology, desert, beauty, and the freedom of the open road come together perfectly. The road is smooth with gentle curves as it carves through the canyon floor. Riding here feels like traveling through a natural corridor built by time, water, and tectonic upheaval. Cut into the sides, hidden washes and canyons jut off into the rugged wilderness of Painted Canyon and other maze-like canyons that make the Mecca Hills famous among hikers and photographers. The forces that created this landscape haven't stopped. The nearby San Andreas fault continues its slow movement beneath the desert floor, constantly reshaping the terrain. As you reach the southern end of Box Canyon, the view begins to open toward the Salton Sea Basin. You can clearly see the north end of the lake. To see more of my motorcycle travel adventures, hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you down the road.